In this video, we'll show you how to upload a document for your assignment. Let's walk through the process together using a reflection assignment as an example. First, open your course from the main dashboard. Once inside, scroll through the course content to review any important details. When you're ready to begin, click Start Now. You'll see a course description. Be sure to read through the description carefully. Using the outside scroll bar on the right, scroll to the bottom and select the Continue button. Here, you'll find all the details you need to successfully complete your assignment and earn points. When you're ready to start your assignment, click on Next Module. This section contains the assignment details, so be sure to read everything carefully. You'll also see resources to help you complete your work. To get your assignment document, click the download icon. You'll also find the grading rubric here, which outlines how your assignment will be evaluated. After downloading, open the assignment document and answer all questions directly on the page. Once you've finished, save the document to your computer. Now, you're ready to upload your completed assignment. Click Choose File, select your saved document, and upload it for review. When the upload is complete, you'll see a confirmation pop up letting you know the file was uploaded successfully. Be sure to double-check everything before you click Submit. Once you click Submit, you won't be able to make changes until your assignment has been reviewed. A pop-up confirming you want to submit will show before final submission. After you submit, the assignment status will show as pending, which means it is ready for review by the course instructor. Once your assignment is reviewed, you'll receive a notification by email with the results.